Hello my dear friends, if you wanna add a third-party link to your Facebook story, then keep watching this video till the end. So without further ado, let's get started. After opening your Facebook profile, just click on this plus icon in the top right corner. Now click on story, and now from your phone gallery, select the picture or the photo that you wanna add to your story. For example, I'm selecting this picture. And now see there's no any option to add any third-party link here. But before adding a link, first we gotta copy the link, okay? So in this story, I'm gonna add a YouTube video link. So first let me copy the video link, open YouTube. So to copy any video link, just click on this three-dot icon in the bottom right corner of the video. And now click on share. Now click on copy link. Now the link is copied. Just go back. Again, open your Facebook. Now to add the video link, just click on this small down arrow icon, which is just in the right of see more option. And now look at the last second option, here is a link. Okay, so click on it. And now paste the link. And notice one thing, just below the link, you'll see a small note here. Viewers will be able to swipe up to visit this website. Okay? I mean, when somebody watches the story, there will be a small indication to swipe up. And when somebody swipes up after viewing your story, they will directly reach to this video. Now to share the story with the public, just click on share button at the bottom right corner, and then your story will be posted. So that's the ultimate way to add a third-party link to your Facebook story. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.